Okay, so I'm just about to assemble this whole uh, pole saw. So that's the battery. Now, normally I would have put the battery on the pole saw itself, but we are going to be not using it like a handheld saw. We're going to be using it at the end of this pole. So this would actually attach to the front of the pole, the mini chainsaw, and the battery would actually attach to the back of the pole. And that's the pole. It's a rotating pole. The other thing is that these other parts came with the chainsaw. This is a handle to hold the chainsaw, but this is more useful like if you were holding it as an independent mini chainsaw, but since it's going to go at the end of the pole, we're not going to be holding this, so I don't think we'll need to attach this. There's also this kind of a guard, I think, that attaches to the front of the face like this somehow. I think it's to prevent the chips from hitting you, and obviously there's a safety glasses which we're not going to need because we're not actually going to be near the chainsaw. It's going to be high up there when we're trying to cut that branch. So all we have to do really is, now to prepare this, we have to put in the chain oil in there, and then this primer is used to spread the chain oil. So let's do that. That's what we're gonna do now. And I have this funnel over here. I don't think we'll need a whole lot, so I'm just gonna pour a little, enough to lubricate it. Maybe there's a little more. Oops, that was a lot, but I think that should be enough to fill up the. Oops, that was a lot. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up and get the tool ready to use.